Hi everyone, I'm Samira, and this week I had a chance to experiment with a stitch from Google that is created for UX designers. And in this video, I'll share a summary of testing this platform. I didn't watch any tutorials before that, as I wanted to just jump in and see how it goes. I'm recording this after I tried the platform. It took me around 2 hours to test different features and figure out how things are working. So I decided to summarize it in 3 sections to give you some ideas of what this platform can do and show some of my struggles when I was testing. First of all, how to start prompting. So I typically approach a new tool with a specific problem to solve, but this time I began with the platform's first example prompt. I tested in 2 ways. First, by implementing my own workflow, which involves creating a user persona, user journeys, and a master prompt. This approach helps me gain deeper insights into the user and their needs, informing necessary adjustments to the initial draft of the prompt. Second time, I just used only the short example prompt that platform has provided. General workspace and main features. The workspace is pretty different than the other AI platforms for vibe coding. It's not the usual chat, preview, and code setup. It's got an infinity board, kind of like Figma, where you can move frames around. What I really like is the focus on the design system basics, especially brand colors. You can tweak them, import them from a brand website, and even test multiple versions of a design with different systems. When you select a screen, you get options to create variations, regenerate, prototype, and make mobile versions. So the last one is a little confusing since the design is already responsive. I'm not sure what the exact difference is. Also, you can edit the design sections with AI or edit text manually, but you can't freely move parts around, which is a big lack of flexibility. Prototyping. To check the prototype, you select the frames you want to interact with and run the prototype command. Then go to the prototype section to see the connections between pages. It's pretty basic, just those standard interactions, no fancy animations. Maybe you can add complexity with the prompt, but I haven't tried or seen a place for it yet. And honestly, compared to other AI platforms that provide working code with every prompt, this type of Figma style prototyping feels a bit old school, especially if you're used to creating a full working user flow with AI. So, will I use a stitch again? Probably, maybe for exploring ideas for marketing websites that need more focus on the design, content, and sitemap rather than complex AI driven functionality. And it's free for now. Let me know if you've tried Stitch, what are your favorite features and what do you dislike? And do you have any suggestions for improvement of the platform? If you like this video, subscribe for more thoughts, experiments, and talks. What else? It also has the prototype. So let me see. We'll try that. So it has many other layers than just prompting. I think that's a very good feature. But it's not coming with the what's called the interactions like the other AI platforms that you work with. You have the code and uh, the design at the same time. So it's kind of like extra work for that. And now it says that the prototype editor is gonna fail here, I guess. That's happening. Experience are connected. Okay. Okay. So okay. So I can't change the color from here. I probably should change everything from the design system. That makes sense. We can edit the text. I can edit with AI. But if I want to like, yeah, again, I think I should go to design system, like changing the shape of the buttons and everything. Probably. Yes, that's the gray, I guess. I'm assuming. Modify, edit. Nope. Yeah, it's just I don't know what's happening here. So okay, here it seems like you can change the color. Click to copy. Okay. Yeah, so I just don't understand how I can change that. Maybe from here. Yeah, doesn't make sense. Okay, checkmate. Let's see. Oh, actually, I think it's side. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Before because I'm recording and I have um my recording part here, so I couldn't see it. I was looking for something else. Okay, so okay, I can change the color from here. Like okay, that's nice. And okay, okay, yeah, that's very nice. So I can change here, here. Mm-hmm. Ah, that's very nice. Okay. So how I can change this? Like how I can get this? Okay, I have a lot of feature here. And delete instant photo. Oh, okay, so most of the features that I have in that menu, I can also have it here. That's nice. And editing. Okay, let me see if I can edit more. Yeah, just like the text. If I wanted to move things. Yeah, like I don't know, if I want to like move things around, I can't do it, right? So you just kind of correcting things, I would say.